Hello everyone, today I have my Bijou March 2020 box, and I already cut this open, drop everything, just says enjoy Miranda, and it looks like this, piece of tape, here is a lashy box. 100% polyester machine wash, little towel, try to take off your makeup. I don't know whether this is like the makeup eraser is supposed to be like, but it's really soft. So here's this. Next thing is this Slay All Day CBD face wash. So that kind of goes together. Next we have this Ruby May Festival Days palette. Open it up. Looks the same. And this is what they look like. I'll do swatching in the next little portion. And then I see a product that we got in a past box. Hopefully it is a different one than I got, since there were 4 variations. And it's the exact same one that I already got, unfortunately. And this is the pizza belly one. So that's kind of disappointing, but I know they were kind of running out of things. And I understand because of the coronavirus crap going around. Still kind of sucks. I hope there's no repeats from other boxes next month, because it's my birthday month and I really hope it's a good box, or if it is a repeat, it's one that I have not gotten yet. And then here's Kaleidoscope Ruby May Cosmetics 15 color eyeshadow. You know, I can't be really disappointed in getting this another pizza size slicelet palette, because we got 3 eyeshadow palettes, because this is an eyeshadow palette too. There is. So that's really awesome, because that's what I use for the most part, is eyeshadow. Don't do a foundation often, don't do a contour and all that. And here is the palette. Really pretty and everyday, but you can also get a glam look from it too. It has a little mirror. The other ones did also, and that is all there is in here. And it did not come with the little card this time, so I'll look up how much all these were. Hopefully I can find it online. I should. I'll write it down on a notebook, because I'm gonna use my phone for it, and I film with my phone, so can't film and look them up at the same time. So I will let y'all know how much this turned out to be when I swatch them. Now I'm not going to swatch this exact one. I'm going to swatch the pizza slicelet that I already have. This one I'll either sell on Mercari or give away. I don't know. But on to the next portion. Okay, this is the swatching portion. Now I got my Pizza Slice Slit palette from Foodie Cosmetics in Pizza Belly right here. Sorry for Loki being the one getting in the way this time. And here it is. First I'm going to go into Parmesan cheese, then eggplant, and then black bean. Here those three are. Okay, and then there's hot Italian sausage, blue cheese, and roasted beets. Here they are. Go into roasted beets one more time. I remember roasted beets performing better when I used it the first time. I forgot what it's called when they like sealed over or something like that. I don't know. But here are the shadows in the Pizza Belly Pizza Slice Slit from Foodie Cosmetics. Now here's the Ruby May Festival Days palette. And here it is again. Now these don't have names, so I'm just going to go from across down, although for you guys it'd be going up since I'm holding it upside down so the mirror doesn't reflect. So I'll be starting with this row and working up. And I forgot to wipe these off. Okay. Here they are. And it's a pretty color. Chalky and powdery. I really like that color too. And here are the next three. Love that green. I am really into green eyeshadow. Okay. And here are the last three in this palette. And here is this whole palette. The Festival Days palette. Let's see if the names are actually on the bottom of them. The names are actually on the bottom of the pans, since these all can come out. Wonder if this can also. Oh, so, oh, maybe not. It's glued in there. Okay, well, they can be removed, and they have the names on the back, so that's cool. So there's that palette again. And this is the Kaleidoscope palette from Ruby May Cosmetics. That is going to be going row by row. Arm is dry. First one I'm going into is Angel Light. Then Sandstone. And then Rose Quartz. Here, these ones are. Gonna adjust the lighting a little bit. Those. Then there's Jasper, Moonlight, and Pearl. Those. And then there is Sunrise, Golden Hour, and Aphrodite, which looks like it'll be a really pretty color. So that's that's Sunrise, Golden Hour, and then Aphrodite. Now there's Deep Amethyst, Sunstone, and Topaz. Now I'll be doing try-on with these. I'm not going to do a try-on with the pizza slicelet since I did one in other Bijou beauty box, but I'll do 2 separate looks using both the other palettes I got in here. And now the last 3 is Amber, Amazon, and Jet. Just gonna put them on my hand. And there they are. Really like this goldy green antique gold look and color. So here's all of that palette, and that's all I have to swatch for you guys. So see y'all in the try-on portion. Okay, so now it is the try-on portion of the Bijou March 2020 box. First, I'm going to start with the Ruby May Festival Days palette. This one. And I am going to put the shadows from this palette on my right eye. And then for the other palette, I'll be putting it on my left. going to be using the Ruby May Cosmetics Kaleidoscope palette. This is what they look like. That's all I have for you guys. See y'all next time. Hope y'all have a good day. Bye.